Hey friend, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to talk about why did I learn different skills to explore multiple sources of income. Now, before you become judgmental or you're watching this video for the very first time, just to give a brief introduction about me, my name is Hisham Sarwar. I'm from Pakistan, Islamabad precisely, and I'm a freelancer, I'm a blogger, I'm a digital marketer, I'm a social media marketer. I own a YouTube channel, not this one actually. I own a YouTube channel for my native language, Urdu, and alongside this, I also do affiliate marketing. Now, this sounds too good to be true. I absolutely agree with you. But before you decide to quit this video and move on to the next one, perhaps watching for the next couple of minutes with the proof would solace my ego. When I say it would solace my ego, I essentially refer to seeing the tranquility, because I have worked hard for the last 2 decades to get to the point where I'm right now. So the journey started with graphic designing in 1998. A friend of mine told me about a freelance marketplace called elance.com, and I was told that I can sell my graphic designing services on that marketplaces. As enthusiastic as any online worker today is, I signed up for elance.com. Signing up as a freelancer was free, and then I started bidding on the projects. Back then they used to give unlimited bids, which means that you can send out proposals on different projects. And I tried my luck day in, day out, but to nowhere. And before I was giving up, I came across this another freelance marketplace called itmoonlighter.com, now known as guru.com. I signed up for the website, and to my luck, 1998, that's where I started getting some responses on the project. And later on, when the website name changed to guru.com, not only I was able to make a name for myself, but also for my country when I was showcased on their homepage, literally known as Hall of Fame for the testimonials, as the first Pakistani who has made over $1 million in sales on Guru.com. Here's the proof. And alongside this, I also ranked as one of the top 10 freelancers. At one particular point, I was blessed enough to be a top seed, which means that whenever I would send proposals on the project, I would be ranked number 1. And that actually helped me in getting a lot of projects. So starting with a single PC, I was able to expand my employee base. Started with first employee, then the 5th, then the 10th, to the point where I hired over 50 plus employees. Fast forward, I started blogging because getting freelance work from freelance marketplaces was becoming a little saturated. When I say saturated, there's a huge opportunity even now for the beginners. But if you are running a huge shop, you're supposed to pay 10K plus US dollars every single month, and I'm talking about 2005, 2006, you come at a crossroads and where you are required to make a decision whether to see multiple sources of business or do something different. So I decided to do something different as well. And then I opened beangguru.com. It's a tech, freelancing, money-oriented blog that talks about motivation, inspiration, talks about freelancing. The traffic on the channel grew exponentially high, and then I was able to get sponsorship offers, and I was able to place banner ads, and then I made money using Google AdSense. Life was pretty good. But then I again hit crossroads. And this time around, when the traffic on beangguru.com dropped, because I was getting traffic from social media, Facebook primarily, along with LinkedIn, and I realized that Facebook has slashed external links, and that literally put me against the wall because I did not pay much heed to search engine optimization. Therefore, in order to get traffic from Google, I had to learn search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. So I took an admission in Udemy class, and then I learned SEO, then I learned blogging to improve on my existing blogging and writing abilities. And then I also enrolled into a program of digital marketing, and let's give the credit where it is due. Wash is my instructor. He is from Ireland, and he taught me digital marketing, and I am so thankful to him for the very first time publicly admitting that whatever I learned about digital marketing initially was from his Udemy course. And then over a period of time, excellence makes one perfect. Practice is all you need in order to achieve an excellence. And I used to practice day in, day out, taking orders from people and businesses around me and asking them to let me do their digital marketing as well as their social media marketing and create a blog for them and create their social media presence. And I would charge them a single penny. I would only charge them once the leads start coming in and they were able to convert those leads into sales, and I would take my commission. And then I realized digital marketing is a cool thing, just hitting top of the roof, and I was delighted, honestly speaking. And at this point, I started to put more energies into digital marketing than blogging or freelancing for that matter. And then I opened my main YouTube channel. It has got over 300K plus subscribers, and it is one of the fastest growing channels. I just started last year. And to my surprise, the channel grew well because I was teaching freelancing, digital marketing, social media marketing, blogging, SEO, WordPress, communication skills, copywriting skills, business development, and I also do a lot of live sessions. So far we have completed 4 cohorts in which we enroll certain number of students and take them live and teach them absolutely free about these online avenues of making money. The reason why I'm recording this video is to give you a food of thought so that you can also explore multiple sources of income, work on the growth hacking, because if you stick to one source of income, there's a good chance that, God forbid, if you lose that one source of income, you're one touch distance away from hitting poverty. So 2021 and onwards, I would urge everybody to have multiple sources of income, but then it all begins with learning a skill. Udemy is an amazing source for learning new skills. See what you are aspired of. See what inspires you. See what motivates you. See what you are most passionate about. Go and enroll in that program. Spend money on yourself. Learn that skill. Practice it hard. And then go to internet, be it a freelance marketplace or your own website or your social media platforms, perhaps a blog, and give it a try. Give it a fair shot. I can assure you, over a period of time, not only in a very short run, I'm not talking about long run, you'll begin to make money that would persuade you to keep moving forward. I hope you like this video, and if you understand what I'm trying to explain, share this video with your friends so anyone who's struggling to make ends meet can take a leaf out of my book and explore multiple sources of income, multiple avenues of income.